This is your shortcut to confident English. I speak and you copy. Simple. Let's get into it. Practice English the smart way. Describe events and improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and accent at the same time. I will speak one sentence. You will repeat that sentence. Yesterday morning, David went to a busy cafe near his office. Now your turn. He ordered a cappuccino and sat by the window with his laptop. Now your turn. While answering an email, his hand accidentally hit the cup. Oh no, he said as hot coffee spilled across the table and splashed onto the floor. A woman at the next table quickly moved her bag away. David felt embarrassed and grabbed some napkins to clean up A smiling waiter came over with a mop and said, "Don't worry, it happens all the time." David thanked him and promised to be more careful. You did a great job. Practicing daily like this will make you unrecognizable. Now, here is your challenge of the day. This scenario will scroll up the screen and you will speak in the best way you can. Remember, keep it slow but correct. Record it if you can and listen to it afterwards. Amazing, you did it. People subscribe to this activity to improve their English the smart way. Click the bell button or you might miss it tomorrow. Your today's challenge has been completed. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.